Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing post-it notes. For those of you who have never used a post-it note, what these are meant for are for little memos, putting notes on foils, death threats, anything you can think of. So let's get into it. What we're going to do is give this a little tear. Quite a durable package. Now that we have the post-it note unboxed, let's give it a try. It's a very smooth texture when you're writing with a pen. I feel like you can even make this into a funny little flip book. But you know what? Let's give this a real test of actual writing. Let's do it. Overall, I'd say this is a fantastic product. I feel like I can use this for many purposes, leaving notes for my neighbor, telling the woman across the street that I've been watching her. And Maria, if you're watching this, please call me. I miss you and I haven't showered in weeks. I'm depressed. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for future videos, and we'll see you in the next one.